Breaking barriers, one device at a time.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another tutorial. So in this tutorial we have an IP address. This lab, let's say this lab. I think we have this IP. Let me move the S. Okay. I don't know. So we have this IP address in this lab. Let me check my connection. Let me check if my connection is good. Can I ping the address? Okay, I can ping it. So first things first, as we always do, you add the address to our host file. Okay. So sudo mousepad. We add this address to our host file. I think I don't need all of this. Do I need this? No, I don't need this. Okay, save it. Okay, now let's make a directory called expose. It's called expose one. So the name of this lab is expose. It's exposed. Go into the directory. Now, as we always know, let's start with an Nmap scan. An Nmap scan, a normal Nmap scan to see what we will see. So we have like this port open. Now let's do an advanced Nmap scan. That's SC-SV-PP to scan all ports. -pn 80-VV for variables. Enter. Okay, while it's running, let's why can't I run this on the web? It seems like it's not the website. Alright, let's wait for the scan to get finished. I clearly think that's a website. Let's do a directory search. dir-u80. 80 is the name of the acronym. So anytime we type 80, our terminal knows we're referring to that IP address because we added it to the host file. So the word list, let's just say then normal word list available in user share, directory BurpSuite. We are going to use this word list. Okay, directory. So medium, enter. An error occurred, cannot connect to this at port 80. Seems port 80 is not available for HTTP. Let's get back to our scan to see what's going on. What's our Nmap scan? Okay, Nmap scan is done. So here we see that we have FTP anonymous login allowed. Anonymous login allowed. It means we can log in as anonymous. SSH. And guys, you can see, look at it very well. HTTP is at port 13373. That is why we could not browse the internet with that. Because normally we are trying to, normally when you type an address here on your browser, it immediately tries to use port 80. So now let's put 13337 and enter. And guys, this is what we get. View page shows nothing. Just something blank. Let's come back to our directory booster and specify that we want to go to 13337. So 13337 does not go. I'll need to put the full URL. Let me copy this. Scanning. While it's scanning, let's check our Nmap scan. Our port 188, well, a mosquito version 1.63. Let's do a Nicto scan to see if we have like a vulnerability. Nicto.host. Scan the site for some vulnerabilities with Nicto. So let's copy the scan and save it somewhere, because we might need to come back to this. Okay. Mousepad. Scan.txt. Let me save it here. Might need to come back to this later. Okay, and I clear my screen. Okay, we can see we have a dash admin page. It is a 303 redirect. Let's check what is here. We have a portal, an admin login portal. It says, is this the right admin portal? Let's inspect page shows. Coming here, we see there is no form. Just get an input and a button. Continue. This button is not going to anywhere because it's not a form. So they're just basic buttons, like if you enter details, let's say email at email.com, and you enter any password like admin and you take continue. The button it clicks, but it doesn't do anything. So it just is seems like it's just an empty or a honeypot or something like a form that does nothing. Let's come back here. You have a admin page, JavaScript page. I don't think there's anything interesting here. Access denied. Okay, from this, we know the server is running Apache 2.4.41, which you can see clearly in our Nmap scan. 2.4.41 Ubuntu. So it's a Linux machine. Let's try to go to this. Oh, we get errors. PHP my admin page. All these are errors. Let's clear this and try to do something, but something is different. Let's try a vhost. I think it's -d. Let's try a view scan. -d -word list. Directory to medium. Oh. Just U for vhost. So we are enumerating the directory, the website for its directory with views enumeration rather than the directory search. Timeout. Can I see access this website? I have an issue in the website. Will be. Let's check if it's my internet or something. Let's try. Let me try something. Why can't I connect to the site? The machine. Okay, it's good. Let's try again this. Wow. While the scan is running, let's wait for the scan to finish. This is so much information. Let's try again something different. Let's try a different tool. Let's try directory search. Directory search. Now 0 and this. Try a different tool to do directory search. Cross our fingers to get something interesting. Previously, while it's going, let's try the Nmap scan to see. So here we found out that we have anonymous login allowed, so means we can log into this server anonymous. So let's try it. FTP anonymous. Let's see. Password anonymous and login successful. Listing directories. ls. Nothing here. Help. Seems like in this directory, this login, there is nothing here. So this is like useless for us. Come back to scan. Okay, we found a main page already, as we have found it before. And guys, we found another page. Let's try this. Found a new page, guys. Let's try this page. Seems like this is the real login. Spec element. Scroll down. You can see a script on click. It calls Ajax to send whatever to login the PHP post, validate it, and login us to chat.php. Can we try to then can we navigate to this folder we have been logging? Let's try. It doesn't go. You can't navigate to the folder without logging in. So we must log in. Oh, you clearly see here we have a button. So from here we have a username hacker@root.biz. Let's try to see if we can do some SQL injections. Okay, ChatGPT will help us. Chat and SQL injections syntax. While it's loading, so we can try this. Let's copy this, come here and paste. Continue. You get an error. So it seems like that didn't work. Let's try another syntax. Nah. Let's try this and see what. I didn't copy this well. Let me copy it like this. Okay. Error. All right. So what can we do to test this? Okay, guys, let's try automation. We can automate. We see we've gotten some all the other available files and folders in the website. According to our tool, let's try to automate these guys with BurpSuite. BurpSuite. So next, start BurpSuite. Turn on Intercept. Open BurpSuite browser. Let me open this link now. BurpSuite browser. Just forward this request. Come back. Enter anything random and take continue. So we get a request. This is your request. So we can try doing manual SQL injections. Let's try making it automatic. So we copy this request. We go to our let's create a folder. Let's create a file called request.txt. Pasting it here, saving it. So there's a tool called SQLMap. SQLMap. It's a tool we can use to automatically do SQL injections. You can see I've done this tool several times before. So to pass the request, you just put -r, open a rec.txt, and you just press enter. It's going to try asking you, do you want to continue with further targeting, further target testing? Yes. Do you want to skip it looks like the backend database is MySQL. Do you want to skip test payloads? Yes. Yes. Why? And it's checking for possible SQL injections. Oh, let's see what we get. It's testing. So from this, we know that the database is MySQL. So next sentence we can try to avoid being asked this again. We can just say db -db ms MySQL. Let it run. Turn off intersection. Let's turn this off. Make it easier. Okay, and so no, tried that already. So right now he's doing some testing with union select, union query, random number, null, and let's copy this so that we make it easier for our testing. So you see now you get guys, the post parameter email, the post parameter email is vulnerable. Do you want to keep testing other parameters? If it's vulnerable, we don't need to do. Let's just do a yes to see if we can get other. So let it try to test if the passport parameter is vulnerable. Let's go. So checking this request with BurpSuite. If we send it to Repeater, coming to Repeater here, if we send this request to the website, this is what we get. Okay, error. Then now we see a message, select from users, where email equals to this. With this mindset, we can try listing users with an empty or a random password. Let's check this. Let this tool complete. Check our Nicto scan to see if something. Nicto says, let's visit this file to see what is there. change log. Apache appears to be updated. Okay, let's use another tool called let's call it let's try to see if we can get some thing from this. So let's use search exploit to test if we can get any exploit available for this Apache version. All right, so we see that we can get open fork, no, Apache plus PHP. All right, we don't know the PHP version, so not yet. Let's go back to our taking very long. Let's try to check our PHP my admin. Normally we are just supposed to keep enumerating till we get something right. Let's access and see that this is my admin logins. Let's try root as an email. Root wrong password, localhost. We are trying default credentials. Localhost, root, empty. Nah. ChatGPT. Let's check PHP my admin default login credentials. Let it keep going. Root, we have tried this. Admin, we have not tried this. We've not tried this. Let's try admin, nothing. Okay. This tool is still running. This automatic SQL Injection tool. One is one you can try to see if you can do some manual SQL with BurpSuite. Or if we change something here, let's change this. Let's leave this like null here and send. Let's close the SQL and send. What will happen? Didn't go. Close the SQL and 1 equals to 1. Send. Nothing. Okay. We just need to wait now for this tool to complete, yeah? And it is complete. You see, it says email parameter. So the email parameter is vulnerable. So can we try to list databases? Let's try to list databases like #DBS. Okay, it went through. So using the vulnerability of the email parameter, we can list databases. And we have databases like we have expose, information, MySQL, AP MyAdmin. These are databases available in the server. Let's list let's activate this database and see what is there. I didn't enter the syntax correctly. So this database, we can list it, but what to do now is that I want to list the tables in the database. So dash tables. All right, it has two tables, user table and config table. So dash u, I think so. Users. No, it didn't go. It's a dash t, not dash u. Syntax dash t, and we need to do a dump. Dash dump. If you want to use command instead of check, why didn't it list the tables? Let's try again. It's not users, it's user. Okay, that was my issue. And it seems we got the password. So this user, this is password, and it was created on this is a creation date. You can just copy these and paste paste in one note. So if you copy this password here and we try to, it's strange to see a password stored in clear text like this. It's strange, but let's try and use the login. Let's login with this, and yes, we got the login. Got to this page, inspecting pictures. We see nothing here, just a screen saying we are at capacity right now. We are trying to resolve this issue as soon as possible. Coming back to SQLMap, I think there was another table that we saw here. We saw another table, config. Let's try and see what is in this config table to see. Okay. All right. It says that do you want to check out them? It found some credentials like this. It found this, and it found this. So it automatically hacked the credentials, and it's asking us if we want to hack them via dictionary attack. We can say yes. It used its own word list. Let's use our own word list to see user share word list require txt. Let it run through. So it cracked this hash to be easy to hack. All right, it seems this is what it got. I think this is a link. These are two links, and this is a password, and this is another hint. Only accessible through username starting with Z. Let's copy this. This is interesting. Let's copy this, paste it here. Let's try and navigate into this link and see what is found here. Let's paste this. All right, we have a sign up page, a enter password page. Nothing interesting in page source. Let's try to enter this password. And it seems we got login. Parameter fusion is also important. Can you hide DOM elements? Let's view page source to see what is in there. In. Oh, we get a hint. It said try file or view as get parameters. All right, I think it seems like we can do a local file inclusion. Yeah. Let's try etc as password since it's a Linux machine. Can we bin at password? Enter the password again. Couldn't get anything. Let me try again. Password. Okay. So guys, what can we do here? What can we do here? Oh, I didn't type this thing well. In Linux, right, all password of the users are stored in a folder called password, in a file called password, and it's in the etc folder. So we can try local file inclusion to see if we can list the content of this folder, of this file. Enter password again. And guys, it worked. So we have local file inclusion here. And we can find some, we copy this, come here and we paste. So we have this user root, backups user, daemon user, this is daemons. All right, let's try to see if we can get the shadow content of the shadow file. I need to keep entering this password. Submit. Nothing. We got nothing. We can, let's use ChatGPT to get we can to just give me users from this file. Give me the users on this. I paste it. Alright, so it seems like these are the users we can get from that. So we copy this, copy here, and we paste this. If we come back to this thing here, we see that this page and hints only accessible through the username starting with Z. Do we have any user starting with Z here? Zimkish. Let's copy this. No. Zimkish. I think this is the only entity with Z here. Let's go to this page and see what is here. Oh, going to that page and just leave it here. Let me go to the page. Okay, pasting it, enter. And again, please enter password. Hint, it is the name of the machine starting with letter Z. And let's see Zimkish. And press enter. And that's it, guys. We get we've accessed this admin page and seems like it's an upload page. During the page source, we can see validate script. Okay, it checks the file, checks to see the extension, if it's JPEG or PNG, return true. All right, uploads a file, else return false. It shows you the error. So it seems like we can only upload JPG and PNG. So guys, from here we have gotten access to this upload page. First of all, what comes to my mind is that I can upload a event share here and get SSH access to this website or to this machine. So let's try reverse-shells.com and see which reverse shell we can use. This site is using PHP, so we can use the PHP reverse shell. We are not sure if Python is installed, so it's best to see that because I think the site is using PHP, so it's best to use a PHP reverse shell. So we enter our IP here. Let's get our IP. I don't need this again. I don't need this anymore. Clear ifconfig. This is my IP. I think it's already here because I've used this before. I've used this so many times. So I'm going to use this port. Let me use this port 444 or let's say 445. Let's look for PHP reverse shell pentest monkey. Use this. Let's copy this and we come to here. Come to all this. Let's create a file. fshell.php. I think this will be best. Paste it here. So guys, we cannot upload the normally we cannot upload a PHP file. You come here, come to where's our folder? Expose one. You can still only upload by only PNG. We can upload PHP. So what comes to my mind is that we can try to hide a payload. You can hide a payload behind this, or we can convert this to a PHP. Let me copy this new. Let me put it here, and I can save it as ref dot png. I don't know. Let me try uploading this. Let me try uploading this. This upload. File upload successful. Maybe look inside the source code to see path. Check the source code. Okay, we get the path. This is a path to the folder containing the file. And you can just come here. We remove this. Remove this. Paste. Did I get it correctly? No. Paste it here. Okay, guys, this is the file we just uploaded. Let's start the listing now to see netcat and MVP 4445. Let's open this file to see if we got the reverse shell. Open this file, we get this. Cannot display because not an image. Definitely it's not an image. Come in here, no reverse shell, and then it didn't work. So can we try downloading an image? And no. Let's say PNG. So let's try downloading an image and trying to store the image in store the reverse shell or combine it in an image. I don't think it will work. I don't think that will work. Let's just try to see. To still store a bash shell, let's save this. Let's come here and make it easy with batch. Copy this. So normally we can cut, it's clear. We can cut cities. Can cut this. But let me save this file again. No, I made a mistake. Let me save this file. Downloads, expose. It's only one dot. Let's save it as 1.jpg. And that 1.jpg. 2.jpg. Alright, let's use ChatGPT to get like hide events show in PNG. Okay, it's going to tell us how to do that. We can create a script like this and we can cut that to a PNG. Will that work? Okay, we have this SSH. Just copy this. No. If I want to do this, I just need to copy this. I'm going to create a new file with mouse part. bin/bash. Save this as left shell message. Add assets into left.png ls. Let's try to upload this again. Okay, upload. Oh, I've closed that page. Mistake. H3. Let's refresh. Let's open this now. And we still don't have a shell. Oh, this is bad. This is bad. Let's open that page and check the content of that folder to see what we can do. Let it load. It's taking so much time to load. Okay, this is it. Let's view this page to see something. What is different here? This is the script, right, guys? So this could be like, this is just an on-page that's client-side restriction. I mean, if we can bypass this client-side restriction, we can upload any file. Let's try doing this. And we can use a tool called BurpSuite there. I think BurpSuite can modify BurpSuite. Let's try doing this with BurpSuite. Next, start BurpSuite. Let's copy the file for this. Go to BurpSuite. Target BurpSuite browser. What was Zinkish? So let's turn on our interceptor. So the idea is that let's modify. The idea is that we can modify this file, change this our inverse shell, change it to like You can move shell.php, can move it to like ref shell, and you call it .png, right? So we are converting the file content of this, converting the file type of this shell.php to shell.png. Then now we come to here, we try to upload this. Let's come back to our downloads, expose shell.png. And we now upload this now. Since this is I think this is a client-side restriction, converting this to PNG and uploading it, then coming out to BurpSuite, intercepting this thing and changing the extension from PNG back to PHP before forwarding it to the server should go. Let's forward this. And guys, it worked. So if you come back to our, refresh this, you see guys, it worked. We open this now, we should get a shell in our, got a shell, guys. So this was just a client-side restriction. So if you want to do that, we just change it, reverse shell to a PNG to bypass the restriction. Then in BurpSuite now, we do that interception, change it back to PHP and send to the server. We go to our shell. First of all, let's stabilize our shell. So I've used Python. Import pty spawn slash bin bash Python not found. Let's try Python to read. Let's trying to stabilize the shell. Okay, can we do a clear? Nah. Export them cost to external. Control Z. Now we need to let's go back to the shell. I think it was the STY. I'm forgetting the syntax. Let me check ChatGPT. Stabilizing shell in PTY. So the last syntax to come back to it was okay, this is STY or that echo. So STY run an echo FG. Right, we cannot clear. ls modifies we have data. So guys, we're gonna get access to this machine where you can try to do so many things now, right? Let's see to the root directory. Let's see to home. What's in home? Zimkich. See to Zimkich. What's there? Flag.txt. So get flag.txt. Access denied. Oh, we can do this. Let's see the permissions. We have no permission over this. Can we check content of this? Cat SSH And guys, unfortunately for this new audience, we can read the content of this file, and it seems they are credentials to, they are Zim keys credentials to SSH. This is bad. It's bad for them, not us. I'm going back to our, let's close all of this, we don't want to need this. Coming back to our, I think we had to. Let's come back here. We no longer need BurpSuite. They just mousepad. Let's paste this somewhere here so we can combine it. So we can now SSH Zimkich. Zimkich to 80. Yes. And we try this password. Copy. Paste. Wow. Nice. It worked. Okay, this is a basic banner. Let's clear the screen. Can I clear? I'm unable to clear. That could be if my mouse stuck. Seems like my mouse is stuck and this I can. Let me try this again somewhere else. SSH Zimkich. Okay. Seems the issue was ping server is not responding. Let me stop this. Alright guys, let me fix this and let's try to fix this with we have a file with our bash file. Sudo bash Alright, let the tool check why it's not working. Failed connecting. Let's try again. It's checking and it's okay now. So our issue is solved and the ping is green. Come back here, I'm sure this should go. So, yes, password. We have access. Okay. Now let's see. Can we go to root? ls. Can we? Oh, we can. Let's try. Cd root. Permissions now. Okay, cd temp. Temporal folder. Let's try to send limpies to that folder. So we have a limpies.sh here. So we are going to run a server with Python, and from this login we can wget with our IP. So what we're trying to do is that we're trying to download a folder from here, a file called limpies.sh from our attacker machine to the target. Okay, it's done. So ls, that's it there. So change the mode to executable. Piece of message. Then let's run the script. So link page is it's a script which does automation. I'm not sure if there are various weaknesses we can target and exploit to gain privilege escalation on this machine. It's an automatic script, so let it run and give us ideas of what to do. It's going to scan the whole website, the whole machine to find little misconfigurations which we can use to escalate privileges. Because as of now, we cannot even get to the root because we are not a root. So we are trying to be root on this machine, escalating privileges. Let's copy this. This is a very interesting finding. Don't run this cd cd1 cd curly downloads cd export one plus mousepad scan that directory. Yes, space this here and found this version. Coming back to our scan, working directory terms, yes. Possible exploit suggester, DT pipe. Can try this. Can try as much of this, but I have an idea. Before coming to trying to check Limpy's output, let's check for. Oh, this tool is still running. It's running. Okay. Wait for it to finish. Right, before checking this Limpy's output, it's best to check to find SUID bit data set. So command is find in root, perm 4000 type f files ls and any error is sent to dev/null. So this will show all the file with the SUID bit set. It's X. To get a better understanding of what is SUID bit, it's best to do your research. You check the research. So from here we can see that we have, let's see, sudo -l to see what we can run. Password. So we're trying to see which command can Zimkish run. Okay. So Zimki cannot run sudo on this machine, so sudo will not go. Fine. Can we exploit fine? So this is a very good website called TFT Zerobin, right? This website is good to, you can use it to find to check how to use SUID bit sets to escalate privileges. So let's try to search here. From here we can see that fine has SUID bit set. So let's search for fine, and we can see fine has SUID. Check this, and you've given us the command to do that. So let's check where fine is stored. Which fine? Where is fine stored? Fine is stored in user.bin.fine. So you can use you can copy this and paste it again here. Yeah. So /user /bin /find. This is when it's stored. So find is stored here. You can now use this command now to see if this escalation will work, and enter. Who am I? Root, guys. So this command, this SUID bit that was set, we use it to escalate privileges, and now we are now root. So as root, and that's it, guys. We are done. So let's see what is there as root. No, let's go to the home directory. No. So cd directory ls cd root. Guys, that's it, guys. We can do everything. Check flag, you can see the flags. GST. And this is a root flag. This is a TryHackMe machine called exposed. And that's it, guys. I'm basically done. So we went for my Nmap scan. So checking for admin page, SQL injection with SQLMap, BurpSuite to bypass the filter that asks us to only upload the PNG, and SUID bit set to escalate to root. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching this video, and see you next time. I'll be sending you some more tutorials attacking machines, active directories, websites, WordPress. So stay tuned, guys, and please subscribe. Thank you.